We're just coming up to Christmas now, and lots of people are going to make a lot of money in this quarter, this Q4 quarter. But what about that time of year between Christmas and New Year's? There's actually a lot of money to be made in that period of time too. How do you do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make muchos cashola on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because that way I'll know you want more like this. And also consider, boom, subscribing to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money making information each and every day. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Is it worth doing an ad campaign for new products between Boxing Day and New Year's Eve? Okay, now a lot of people will tell you that it's actually very, very quiet shopping between those periods of time for online, and so don't do any kind of promotions and things like that. You'll hear that heaps. But in actuality, that is not grounded in data. So what the data tells us is it's actually a brilliant time to put some things together, because heaps and heaps of people, as you can see, are getting gift cards for friends, family, loved ones. Well, hopefully not loved ones. You wouldn't going to get your lover a gift card. But here's the people are buying gift cards for people, yeah? And what happens is they get given those gift cards at Christmas, and then come Christmas Day night and on, they start buying shit with them, okay? They start buying things with them. So it's a very, very good time to be selling things and promoting things that people can buy with gift cards. And that's really, if you're Amazon and you're FBA, then that's you. That's what you are, okay? And also, interestingly, so here's the gift cards. Look at the price points of the gift cards, okay? I don't know when we last did the psychological price break points. Wasn't that long ago, surely. But you can see, you know, Amazon, it sells their gift cards in multiples of 10. So $20, $10, $30, $40, $50, which is why we sell things in $39.95, $49.95. That kind of ties into that psychology. Anyway, so if it were me, and it is me, I would be definitely doing promotions for people to buy things with their gift cards. I'd be absolutely doing promos for that. And because everybody else says, well, not everybody, but most of the other kind of, you know, gurus out there, they'll say, oh, it's a terrible time. Actually, that makes it a great time because there's less people competing for that. People have turned off their PPC. People have turned off their Google ads. It's a good time. It's a really, really good time to go for it. And Cindy, just thinking specifically about the thing that you sell as well, without giving that away, I would argue as well that there are a lot of people also looking for presents to take, like if the granny hasn't been able to travel and is looking for something for the grandson, for instance, then they will often go looking for something to get delivered in that time as well. So it's a good time. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!